Welcome to the channel. How can one become spiritually awakened? 1. Meditation. One of the most effective ways to become spiritually awakened is through regular meditation. This practice allows you to quiet your mind and focus on your inner self, which can help you connect with a higher power and gain a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. 2. Service to others. Serving others can help you become spiritually awakened by reminding you of the interconnectedness of all living beings. When you help others, you are also helping yourself by opening your heart and connecting with the divine. 3. Reading spiritual texts. Reading spiritual texts can provide insight and wisdom that can help guide you on your spiritual journey. These texts can offer a deeper understanding of the universe and your place in it. 4. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment and aware of your surroundings. This can help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and can help you connect with your inner self. 5. Connecting with nature. Nature has a powerful ability to connect you with something greater than yourself. Spending time in nature can help you feel more in tune with the world around you, and can help you tap into the divine. 6. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Surrounding yourself with people who share your spiritual beliefs can help you feel more connected to the divine. This can help you to feel more supported and motivated on your spiritual journey. Hope you liked our content, and thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. For more updates, hit the notification bell.